or stronger or more clever than other children. His family was not rich or powerful.
Are the tubes almost just darling? Kapacağım motor tonight dear. Oh wow, nothing goes better with cabbage than cabbage. Charlie, I found something I'm thinking slow.
Charlie's father worked in the local toothpaste factory. The hours were long and the pay was terrible, but sometimes there were unexpected surprises.
It's exactly what I need. What is it, Charlie? There, found it. Just the piece I needed. What piece was it? A head. For Willy Wonka. How wonderful. It's quite a likeness. You think so? Think so. I now saw. I saw Willy Wonka with my own two eyes. I used to work for him, you know. You did? I did. He did. I turned it up. Get it right. Excuse me, what are all you looking at? Charlie, see, Willy Wonka's about to give a speech on the radio.
Special people to visit my factory this year. In addition, one of these people will receive a special prize beyond what could ever imagine.
Wonka candy bars may be anywhere, in any shop, in any street, in any town, in any country of the world.
I only get one bar a year or my birthday. Well, it's your birthday next week. You have as much chance as anybody else.
The kids who are going to find the golden ticket spot, who can afford to buy.
I am eating the Wonka bar once suddenly. I am testing something that is not chocolate. Coconut, nugget, walnut, peanut butter, cocoa butter, caramel, sprinkles. 9.
I say, the bar will to be fun and athletic.
Where's my golden tickets? I want my golden tickets. Well, gentlemen, I just hate to see my little girl unhappy like that. I will keep up search until I give her what she wants. A Wonka nutty crunch squash. Surprise! I think I'll wait until morning.
Bye bye, Charlie.
If we had our age together, we're 381 years old. We don't wait.
Wait, this just in, the third golden ticket found.
All right, let's see who found it.
We are in Atlanta, Georgia. The third golden ticket found in Mrs. Biergard. Mrs. Biergard, we are carrying all of trophies.
I'm just so proud, so damn proud. These are just a few of the 263 trophies my wallet has won.
I'm a gun cheever mostly, but when I heard about these ticket things, I laid off the gun, switched to the candy bars.
She is just a...
And I only had to buy one candy bar.
And how did it taste?
I don't know. I hate chocolate. Now, okay, the surprise is starting. If it is not video games, it is television or it is internet. He has never seen on the screen. It is all this, I don't mind. You and I are going to have one more feeling at the finding the last golden ticket. Are you sure you want to spend your money on that, Grandpa? Of course I'm sure. Here, run down to the nearest store and buy the first Wonka candy bar you see. Bring it straight and we'll open together. Which hand should we open? Really? Did you see the heart? Just affect the number of some people. I'm not holding a ticket. Come on. It's golden ticket. You found Wonka's last golden ticket. Listen, I can buy you. I can give you bicycle and $50. I'm crazy. I give 500 points for that ticket. No, that's enough of that. Leave the kid alone, Mr. Boy. Take that ticket and don't stand anyone. Have it, understand? Thank you. I found Wonka's last golden ticket. It's mine. Yippee! Here, read it aloud. Let's hear exactly what it says. Waiting speed, luck finder of the golden ticket. Recognize you? Hard to say. It's been years.
Eyes on the prize, Violet, eyes on the prize.
Please enter. Come forward. 8. Dear visitors, it's my great pleasure to welcome to my humble factory.
He is Willy Wonka. Were you one of those who tried to steal my life's work? No, sir. That's wonderful. Welcome back. Let's get a move on, kids. Don't you want to know all your names? No, you should know. I'm a beer guard. I don't care.
Well, you should care, because I'm the girl who's going to win a special prize.
Well, you do seem confident, and confidence is the key.
I'm Rebecca Salt.
I'm Augustus Kulu. I love your chocolate. I can see that. So do I.
What?
You're my team. You're the little devil who cracked the system.
Very well. Augustus, what's up? The pie! There he goes. Call Farmer Jet.
It's a wonder how that happened.
He'll be all right. He's going to take in the chocolate. I think he... Who's beheaded? Ahead, people, keep an eye out. We are passing some very important room over here. Under that, you'll see powder cream, coffee cream, and hair cream.
What do you use hair cream for?
To lock emotion and unmarked user reliance. At last, we're sitting gossipers. They are for children who are giving very little pocket money. You can suck it on all year, and it will get any smaller.
Like that?
It's a gosstopper, but they do sure taste terrific. Now this is carrot top.
It's amazing. Tomato soup. I can feel it running down my throat.
Yes, spit it out. Young lady, I think you'd better.
It's changing. Roast beef with baked potato, crispy chicken and butter,
I'm just a little worried about the...
blueberry pie and ice cream.
Yeah, that part.
What's happening to her nose? She's turning blue.
Your whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet. What's happening?
Well, I told you it hadn't got it right because it goes wrong when it gets to the dessert part. It's the blueberry pie that does it. I'm really sorry.
Mother, what's happening to me?
She's swelling up.
Like a blueberry.
I've tried it on 20 Oompa and each one ended up as a blueberry. It's just weird.
But I can't have a blueberry as a daughter.
Mother, help me, please.
I want to take Miss Burguide into the boat and take her along to the juicing room at once.
The juicing room, what are they going to do to her there?
Squeeze her, like a little pimple. You should squeeze all of that juice out of her immediately.
Mother, help me, please. Help me.
Go ahead.
Why do you let people in?
Want to see the factory, of course.
But why now? What's the special prize and who gets it?
The best one, prize with the surprise.
Remember the first candy you ever ate?
No.
In fact, Willy Wonka did remember the first candy he ever ate.
Get me one of those squirrels. I want one. But America, dear, you have many marvelous pets. All I've got at home is one penny and one. I'll get one myself. Veruca!
Little girl.
Veruca, come back here at once.
Little girl, don't touch that squirrel. It will make him crazy.
Veruca!
Gotta find the key. Ow! Not that one.
Ow!
if she's a bad nut. Oh my goodness! She's a bad nut after all.
Mommy, I want this girl to stop. Where is it taking her?
Where the bad nuts are. Here, put these on and don't take them off. Whatever you do, these bright lights will burn the screws right out of your eyes.
That's impossible.
It is impossible. You don't understand anything about science. Seriously, I cannot understand a single word you're trying to say. Okie dokie. Now I'll send the bar of chocolate from right to the end by other the television.
Holy buckets.
Eat it, it will be delicious. It's the same bar just watching television. And then a commercial will come on and then say, Mocha's chocolates are the best in the world. If you don't believe us, try one of yourself. And you simply reach out and grab it. How about that?
So could you send other things like breakfast cereal?
Do you have any idea what breakfast cereal is made out of?
But can you send it if you want to?
Of course I would.
How about people?
Well, why would I want to send people? They don't taste very good at all.
Don't you realize what they have invented? It's a teleporter. It's the most important invention in the history of the world, and all you can think of is chocolate.
What? Mike, calm down. What? Mr. Walker knows what he's talking about.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't know anything. You think he's a genius, but he's not smart. But I am.
Little boy, don't push that button.
He's gone.
That's fine. Let's go now.
Yes, but Mommy, I want to fly in glass elevator. Only thing you are getting today is a bat, and that's final. But I want to.
You're a special boy, and I'm happy to work with your family. Now I'm Willy Wonka juice.
In the end, Charlie Bucket won a chocolate factory, but Willy Wonka got something even better, family. And one thing was obviously certain: life had never been sweeter.